Did you know? According to the Census of Population 2020, 97.1% of Singapore residents aged 15 and above are literate, which means 2.9%, or roughly 129,000 people, are not. In addition, about 8.7% of residents aged 5 and above, approximately 290,000 to 350,000 people, reported speaking Chinese dialects such as Hokkien, Cantonese, or Teochew as the main language used at home. These individuals may face significant communication barriers, especially when important information is delivered only in Singapore's 4 official languages: English, Mandarin, Malay, and Tamil. That's why MB9 and CloudSquire is jointly proposing Project Light Voice, an AI-powered life-size 3D holographic assistant that speaks Singapore's official languages and even local dialects like Hokkien and Cantonese. No typing, just natural voice interaction. Users will also have the option to interact with an avatar of their choice, creating the feeling of a real human-like conversation. Now let's see how interacting with Project Light Voice could look like.
你識唔識講廣東話？我英文唔係咁叻。
你好啊，係啊，我識講廣東話。先生，有咩可以幫到你啊？
我想問下最近個 CDC 計劃係咩嚟㗎？同埋我點樣先知道自己符唔符合資格？
好啊 ，CDC 消費券係政府嘅一個計劃，幫下市民減輕日常開支，亦都幫下本地小商戶。每個合資格嘅家庭都可以攞到一啲電子消費券，可以用喺指定嘅小販檔、鄰里商店或者超市。
Project Light Voice is not only good for sharing information, it can also be used for gathering complaints and feedback from the community.
Hi, I like the CDC scheme and would like to share some feedback. How can I do that?
Hi there. To share feedback on the CDC policy, just scan the QR code. You can type or leave a voice message. Your feedback will be sent to the right agency. Alternatively, you can just tell me directly and I'll take note of your comments. Which option would you prefer?
I think I'll just share my feedback directly. My name is Sam Lee and I live at Block 1, Bukit Merah Road. I really appreciate the CDC scheme. To make it even better, perhaps the government could consider allowing CDC vouchers to be used for public transportation as well.
Thank you for that. Is there anything else you want to add?
I have nothing else to add. Thank you.
Okay then, we will send your feedback to the right department. You have a great day.
So there you have it, how we envision AI making a real difference in our community. We hope this project receives the support it needs to become a reality. This is Project Light Voice, giving every voice a place to be heard.